The following is a flash flood warning. The National Weather Service and Flagstaff has issued a flash flood warning for Gila County of East Central Arizona, Navajo County in North Central Arizona, until 7 p.m. Mountain Standard Time. At 4:38 p.m. Mountain Standard Time, Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the warned area. Between 1.75 and 2 inches of rain have fallen. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Hazard, life-threatening flash flooding. Thunderstorms producing flash flooding. Source, Doppler radar. Impact, life-threatening flash flooding of low water crossings, creeks, normally dry washes and roads. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include Cedar Creek, Carrizo, and Fort Apache Reservation. This includes the following highways: State Route 73 between mile markers 311 and 325. Highway 60 between mile markers 299 and 320. This includes the following streams and drainages: Cedar Creek, Turkey Canyon, West Cedar Creek, Carrizo Creek, G-Wash, White River, Salt River, East Cedar Creek, Corduroy Creek, Red Canyon, Amos Wash, and Calf Creek. Turn around. Don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles. Move to higher ground now. Act quickly to protect your life. Repeating, a flash flood warning has been issued until 7:45 p.m. Mountain Standard Time for the following counties in Arizona, Gila, and Navajo. The following is a flash flood warning.